Question 1. Understanding facultative anaerobes. A microbiology student is reviewing the metabolic flexibility of different bacterial species. Which of the following best describes how facultative anaerobes, such as Streptococcus pyogenes, generate energy? A. They are strictly dependent on oxygen for ATP production. B. They use oxygen for ATP generation when available but can switch to fermentation. C. They generate ATP solely through fermentation. D. They cannot grow in the presence of oxygen. E. They utilize photosynthesis for energy generation. Correct answer, B. They use oxygen for ATP generation when available, but can switch to fermentation. Why? Facultative anaerobes like Streptococcus, Staphylococcus, and enteric gram-negative bacteria, e.g. E. coli, can perform aerobic respiration when oxygen is present, but switch to anaerobic fermentation or other pathways when oxygen is absent. Question 2. Staphylococcus aureus abscess formation. A 34-year-old IV drug user presents with fever, chills, and a painful, fluctuant mass on his forearm. Incision and drainage reveals pus. Culture grows gram-positive chi in clusters that are catalase and coagulase positive. What metabolic classification best describes this organism? A. Obligate aerobe. B. Obligate anaerobe. C. Aerotolerant anaerobe. D. Facultative anaerobe. E. Microaerophile. Correct answer, D. Facultative anaerobe. Why? Staphylococcus aureus is a facultative anaerobe, able to thrive in oxygen-rich and poor environments. It is catalase and coagulase positive, forming abscesses commonly in IV drug users. A. Obligate aerobes, e.g. Mycobacterium need O2. B. Obligate anaerobes die in O2. C. Aerotolerant anaerobes don't use O2. E. Microaerophiles require low O2 levels only. Question 3. Enteric gram-negative infection. A 70-year-old woman develops fever and dysuria. Urinalysis reveals WBCs and nitrites. Culture grows gram-negative rods that ferment lactose and are oxidase negative. What best describes the oxygen requirements of the most likely organism? A. Obligate anaerobe. B. Obligate aerobe. C. Facultative anaerobe. D. Microaerophile. E. Aerotolerant anaerobe. Correct answer, C. Facultative anaerobe. Why? E. coli, a lactose-fermenting enteric gram-negative rod, is a classic facultative anaerobe and common cause of UTIs. It can use O2 for respiration but survives via fermentation when O2 is low. A, B, not correct for E. coli. D, E, don't match E. coli metabolic profile.